Hey, what's up guys? Check it out, Tyler Sassy here, Western Welding Academy. We made it to Charlotte, Tennessee. We're fixing to get rolled out and get started. I'm pretty excited to weld with the boys and girls here at Creekwood High School. It's gonna be an awesome time and I'm looking forward to it. Let's get it going. Sometimes, two-tack, you just give her a little smackaroni right there. Only have to, oh man, look at that.
How many of you guys want to be welders when you get out of here? Oh yeah.
They freehand welded it, meaning they held the torch like this and they freehanded it. Does that make sense? But you got all that movement in there. So there's some guys that got real good at freehanding. It was in New York, the state of New York. There was a boy that wondered what would happen if he put that cup on the pot. And so he did. And it was a lot steadier, it was a lot smoother. And that's where walking the cup was invented.
It's ABC, always be comfortable. So what you do is you scoot your body forward a little bit, then you'll lean back, and then you take off and run it like that.
What are you gonna do here, bud?
I'm gonna attempt to TIG weld. This is my first time I've done it.
Attempt to TIG weld.
Made it from using Photoshop, and I have to design everything. And then I went into SheetCam and programmed it to what I want to cut out. Went to the CNC plasma cutter and then cut it out.
We're gonna hang that on the wall. Maybe we'll put a little piece of stainless behind it or something, huh?
When I rolled in at 7:25 this morning off of my school bus, I had about 25 students here standing and waiting for Western Welding Academy to pull through the parking lot. They were excited. They were anxious to be here, and through the day I've watched those kids bloom. I've watched those kids smile. I've watched those kids carry on conversation with strangers and really learn, ask questions, and I would encourage anybody for this experience.
What's up guys, Tyler Sassy here, Western Welding Academy. We're down here in Creekwood, Tennessee, having a great time welding with the boys and girls. We're about to roll out and head on over to Kentucky. And the last thing I'd like to say is let's get Western!